In this module, we'll explore external JavaScripts. So far, our JavaScripts have been written internally, where, just like in CSS, our script is contained in a start and end script tag in the head. Before we explore external JavaScripts, it's important to note that we can also write scripts inline, just like in CSS. For example, we can put the alert function directly into onClick. We can also put an entire line of JavaScript code into onClick as well. But just as in CSS, inline JavaScript is discouraged due to the possibility of redundancy. External JavaScripts are often the best option when you'll use a script across many pages. Let's get started. First, we'll create a new file, our_script.js. We'll store this in the same directory as our contact.html page. Next, we'll still use the script tags, but code an src attribute in the start tag targeting our_script.js. For this task, we want to have a plus and minus button change the text size of an element. This could be a helpful feature if some of our users have trouble reading small text. I already have a plus and minus image in the same directory as contact.html. I'll put the images on my page and give them both a unique ID, though the ID here is unimportant for this task. Now I'll create a paragraph with an ID of changer_text. Here's what our page looks like. Now in our_script.js, we'll create a function called enlarge that enlarges our text. We'll call document.getElementById and specify the ID. Now we'll use a new property, the .style property, to change the style of the element. We'll use .fontSize to change the size of the font. We'll change the size to 30 pixels. Now we'll add the event to the plus image. Now when our plus is clicked, the size of the text becomes 30 pixels. We'll create another function, shrink, that changes the size to 12 pixels. We'll add the event to the minus image. This wraps up the unit and our intro to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. JavaScript is a full-blown programming language. In the next unit, you'll master more complex programming concepts using Python, which will enable you to comprehend and write more complex JavaScript code.